Misterkyatproductions.
Yo, what's up guys, with Misterkyatproductions, trying to organize this Oceanize for the YouTube, it's being released on SoundCloud as a demo, but we gotta get it up on YouTube and get the real specs and vibes of it, so just touching in a little bit on it, hoping to get it out pretty soon. Anyways guys, tune in, let me know what you think. Well, alright, just a sneak peek to see what's going on, what's cooking. We cooking still. Peace.